Next question. Find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 if x is less than or equal to 2, f of x is ax plus b if x lies between 2 and 10, and f of x takes the value 21 if x is greater than or equal to 10 is a continuous function. So here you need to consider the function to be continuous. Illinu kuda, as in the case of previous examples, the point is not mentioned. The function is continuous anta ashte kottidare. That means a function f of x is continuous anta antandre the function is continuous anta ishte mention madidre it means that the function is continuous at all the real points. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. At x is equal to 2 the function will be continuous. At x is equal to 10 the function will be continuous. At x is equal to 100, at x is equal to 1120, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ this function will going to be continuous. That is the meaning of the function f of x is continuous ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it means the function is continuous at all the points. So ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು we find the values of a and b. Let us see the solution. Here given f is continuous, continuous ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it means that this function f is continuous at all real numbers, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂಡ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10. I have considered x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10 because ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ x is equal to 2 ಮತ್ತೆ x is equal to 10 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ. This function is splitting at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10 ಆದ್ರಿಂದ I am going to consider the function to be continuous at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10. So first case x is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು LHL RHL value of the function calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, you will get a linear equation. Next x is equal to 10 ಒಳಗಡೆ function continuous ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು find LHL RHL and value of the function, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು linear equation ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು linear equations solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you get the values of a and b. So first we consider the function to be continuous at x is equal to 2. Since f is continuous at x is equal to 2, since f is continuous at x is equal to 2, we have LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function at the given point. So value of the function at the given point is 2. So what is LHL? Limit of the function f of x as x tends to 2 minus is equal to limit of the function f of x as x tends to 2 plus is equal to, what is the value of the function at x is equal to 2? X is equal to 2 branch ಯಾವುದು? First branch. Here the value of the function is 5. So it will be 5. Next LHL calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Limit of the function f of x as x tends to 2 minus less than 2 branch. Less than 2 branch is again the first branch. There the value is 5. This will be limit of the function f of x as x tends to 2 plus greater than 2 branch. Greater than 2 branch is second one. Here the value of the function is ax plus b as x tends to 2. This is equal to 5. So value of this limit is 5 is equal to, ಇದರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ x ಅದಲ್ಲ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, you get 2a plus b is equal to 5. From this I can write 2a plus b is equal to 5. This is equation number 1 ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. This is a linear equation. Take this as equation number 1. Next I consider the function to be continuous at x is equal to 10. Since f is continuous at x is equal to 10, f is continuous at x is equal to 10, we have LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function at 10. Value of the function at 10. LHL will be limit of the function f of x as x tends to 10 minus is equal to limit of the function f of x as x tends to 10 plus is equal to f of 10. Exactly equal to 10 branch, third branch. Here the value is 21. You will have 21. Next, LHL nodri limit of the function f of x as x tends to 10 minus. 10 minus antandre less than 10 branch. Less than 10 branch is the second branch. Here you have ax plus b. Ax plus b as x tends to 10 is equal to value of the function f of x as x tends to 10 plus. 10 plus under greater than 10 branch. Here you have 21 is equal to 21. From this I can write idra limit solve madkondaga you will have 10a plus b is equal to 21. 10a plus b is equal to 21. Take this as equation number 2. Take this as equation number 2. So here you have equation number 1, equation number 2. Linear equations, 2 linear equations. You have to solve madkoltri, you will get the values of a and b. A and b. We have 2a plus b is equal to 5, equation 1, and 10a plus b is equal to 21, equation number 2. 1 minus 2 madri, 1 minus 2, equation number another 2a plus b minus 10a plus b is equal to 5 minus 21. 5 minus 21. So this also simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2a plus b minus 10a minus b is equal to 5 minus 21 will be minus 16. Will be minus 16. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus minus b cancel ಆಗ್ತದ. ಉಳಿದಷ್ಟು minus 8a is equal to minus 16. Again minus minus. So from this a will be 16 divided by 8, which will be 2. Therefore value of a is equal to 2. Value of a is equal to 2. E value of a na either you substitute in equation number 1 or equation number 2, you will get the value of b. You will get the value of b. Substituting a is equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. So you have 2 a plus b is equal to 5. 2 value of a is 2 plus b is equal to 5. So 4 plus b is equal to 5, which implies b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. Therefore the values of a and b for which f is continuous, are 2 and 1 respectively. 2 and 1 respectively.